A breakfast of champions, quick, healthy, and delicious. Are you looking for a breakfast that's speedy, nutritious, and absolutely scrumptious? Look no further than Fluffy Scrambled Eggs with avocado toast. This dish is a winner any day of the week, packed with protein, healthy fats, and tons of flavor. The best part? You can whip it up in minutes. Whether you're a kitchen novice or a seasoned chef, this recipe is easy to follow and guarantees a delicious start to your day. Imagine this. You're rushing to get ready in the morning, but your stomach is rumbling. Instead of grabbing a sugary cereal bar, you can have a satisfying and wholesome meal ready in a flash. This recipe is also incredibly versatile. Feel free to add your favorite toppings like a sprinkle of cheese, some diced tomatoes, or a dollop of sour cream. Gathering your kitchen arsenal. Before we embark on our culinary adventure, let's gather our trusty ingredients. Don't worry, we're keeping things simple and using everyday items you probably already have in your pantry. For the toast, 2 slices of your favorite bread. Whole wheat or sourdough work wonders. Olive oil or butter, a dash for that golden brown goodness. For the scrambled eggs, 2 large fresh eggs, a splash of milk, any kind will do. Salt and pepper to taste, because every dish needs a touch of seasoning. For the avocado spread, 1 ripe avocado, soft to the touch, ready to mash. A squeeze of lemon juice to prevent browning and add a touch of zing. Cooking up a storm, your step-by-step guide. Toasting time. Grab your bread slices and pop them in the toaster. Aim for a light to medium toast as we don't want them overly crunchy. If you prefer, you can also toast the bread in a pan with a bit of butter for a richer flavor. Scrambled egg extravaganza. While the bread is toasting, crack the eggs into a bowl. Add a splash of milk and season generously with salt and pepper. Now, whisk everything together until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Avocado alchemy. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Add a squeeze of lemon juice and mash it with a fork. You can make it as smooth or chunky as you like. Cooking the eggs. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a knob of butter. Once melted, pour in the egg mixture. Here's the trick to fluffy eggs. Let them sit undisturbed for a few seconds before gently pushing them around the pan with a spatula. Assembling the masterpiece. By now, your toast should be ready. Spread a generous amount of avocado on each slice. Once the eggs are cooked to your liking, spoon them onto the avocado toast. Taste bud, tango. Tips for flavor perfection. Excellent texture. For super fluffy eggs, add a tablespoon of sour cream or crème fraîche to the mixture before cooking. Remember, low and slow heat is key to preventing dry, rubbery eggs. Avocado amplified. Spice up your avocado spread with a pinch of chili flakes, a sprinkle of garlic powder, or some chopped fresh cilantro. You can also add a dollop of Greek yogurt or sour cream for extra creaminess. Presentation is everything. Make your breakfast look as good as it tastes. Sprinkle some chopped chives or red pepper flakes on top of the eggs for a pop of color. There you have it, a quick, easy, and healthy breakfast that looks like it came straight out of a gourmet cafe. Remember, the beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity and versatility. Feel free to experiment with different toppings and flavors to create your own signature breakfast masterpiece. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay healthy!